Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pritam and in this video I am gonna teach you how you can make a YouTube video downloader in just 4 lines of Python code. So open your computer, choose any code editor and let's get started. First we have to install Pytube module. Pytube is basically a lightweight, dependency-free library used for downloading YouTube videos. To install Pytube module, go to command prompt and write the command pip install Pytube. I have already installed it, but in your case it will take some time to install. When the installation will be done, open any code editor and make a Python file first. Here I am using Visual Studio Code. Now first import YouTube class from Pytube module. Make an object of YouTube class and within the parenthesis, supply the link of the video you want to download. Here I am using a link of my video. Make sure you supply the link in the form of string. This object you have created is basically the video you want to download. Now we have to create a high resolution stream of our video object to download. To do this, we have a method streams.getHighestResolution, which will return a high resolution stream of our video object. Now I am going to create a variable called myVideoStream to store the high resolution stream. You can name the variable anything, whatever you want. Now, if you want some other resolution to download, you can use getByResolution method. And within the parenthesis, pass the resolution in the form of string, like 360 pixel or 720 pixel. Now to download the stream, we have download method. Write myVideoStream.download. This will download your video within the project directory. Now write some confirmation message. I am gonna write here print download completed. Now run the code and after some time you will get your confirmation message. Now check the video in the project directory and play it by your own. Hope you understood how you can make YouTube video downloader using Python. You can also read the Pytube documentation to get some advanced concepts. Now don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts and share it with everyone. Remember, your support will motivate me to make more videos on Python. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video, you will learn how you can make a password generator using Python. Now if you are new to here, then this is the channel where you will get daily quality Python tutorials. So smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get unlimited Python tutorials daily. Bye bye.